This video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme colors in PrestaShop. So to do that, you first need to head over to PrestaShop.com and from it there, create an account by clicking on the Just Get Started. Once you're in there, you should be able to see their offers. So they brand themselves with customization. For this, just click on the share or show offers and we have in here these offers such as Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. So for this case, let's head over and choose Classic. With this, it's based on version 9 of PrestaShop software with customizable hummingbird theme. Click on this Discover Classic, and then from in there, it should be able to redirect us to this part. Just proceed to click on this download option, and then download PrestaShop for yourself. You can just fill out the email and choose why you're using PrestaShop right here. Now to change the theme colors of PrestaShop, I have here this article. So to do it, just navigate to the PrestaShop store front end in your browser. Right click on the element color that you wish to change, like the header, menu, and button, and select Inspect Element. This will open the browser's developer tools, allowing you to identify the specific CSS selectors like header, BTN primary, and properties like background color, color associated with the element. From there, locate your actual custom CSS by accessing your PrestaShop installation files via FTP or control panel. Navigate the directory of your active theme by going to the themes, your theme name, assets, and CSS. Look for the file name custom CSS and then add the CSS rules for that. Open this and based on the CSS selectors identified in step 1, change the background color of the header. Here is a sample code of that. You can also try to clear the PrestaShop cache by going to Advanced Parameters and Performance and clear the cache from there. You can refresh your PrestaShop storefront and in your browser to see the updated colors. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.